So today we are going to talk about Igbo dialects. It's an interesting topic because some of us, the Igbos, even you see, most people just have to know like two dialects, their own village dialect and the central Igbo. And I will beg you to also learn other ones. And not only that you learn, help me share to other people that are not Igbos so that they will also know our language and enjoy the varieties in the dialects. Because we have very nice dialects around us, and I believe no matter how difficult you find them, for me I found them beautiful. So love them and share, be proud of those dialects because they made us unique. Today we are going to talk about this sentence, sit down. Sit down in Igbo language means Noro ala. Noro ala is the central Igbo. Noro ala. So as you can see, we have them up to that 10 different dialects. There could be more, but the ones that I know, I bet you these ones are clearly our dialects. I will go through them, each one of them one by one. I will tell you the area that these dialects are coming from. So do it with me and let's see how wonderful they are. Number one is Norala, like I told you, actually is from Imo State. Norala is from Imo mainly. Noro Anna is from Anambra. Anambra, but I don't know exact town that says it. But Noro Anna is from Anambra. So we have Sukere Anna. Sukerana, they can as well say Sukerala. Sukerana is from Orumba, which is from Oko, Orumba, from my area. Those areas normally would say Sukerala or Sukerana. Noro Odo. Noro Odo. Noro Odo, mostly from, I think maybe from Ihala. You know, Norodo can as well be from Ihala. So, Nodiala. Nodiala can as well be from Imo State. I believe it's from Imo State. Nodiala. Noral is from Nsukka. I believe the Nsukka area are saying this Noral. Nodi Odo. I think from Abariba. So please verify the people who use this the more. And I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. Don't disappoint me because I need to know more. Or else I'll be teaching the wrong thing. The people that I asked told me they are mostly from Abariba people. So help me, help your brother so that I will do better. I will represent you guys more well. So the more better I know, the more I teach. So comment down below if you ever watched. Let me know if I am correct. Nodi Odo from Abariba. That is what I think. Nosuala. Nosuana. Or Nosuala. Olu people, I think Olu people do say Nosuana or Nosuala. Suikenana. Anambra will use it, but it's a kind of command word. Suikenana. If someone is talking and he's not really making sense, someone might just as well say Suikenana. Means hit your poo on the ground. Put your poop, hit your nyash, hit your bottom on the seat. That is just like a command word. It's somehow rude word. Norele is probably from Abakaliki. because I heard this from one of my Abakaliki friends, so I may be wrong somehow, but if you hear it like this, just calculate it from Abakaliki people. If you have any idea, you just want me to push them out through video, just comment down below and let me know more. If your own town is missing, put it down below in the comment section. I'm ready to do more video on this. I just want to project our language as much as I can. I'm committed in promoting our language, our culture, and our people as Igbo. I have no other heritage to promote, so I have to do this with all passion. So if you have any idea what to do and what to add to this channel, put it down below. I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. However, thank you for watching and see you next time in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.